Hello, Nomad Sculpt Brushes Part 2. It's about scaling, stroke spacing, intensity. Okay, let's go to Nomad. And I think we create a new box. Okay, I think this is good. And let's see the clay brush. The settings are default. Okay. The scaling. The scaling is a slider here in the middle of the menu. And when you press on it, a red ring appears. This red ring shows us the area of our brush. And our brush is always a circle. And to bring a square in the circle, now the square is inside the circle. And when we now brush on, symmetry is on. Let's see what happens. This is our square brush shape. And you see the square is inside. And when we bring it like this, now it's got a round edge here. You see, this is our the red ring on this screen is our brush, and yes, you see the same, like this. And the bigger you scale it, the rounder it gets. Okay. And when you change your alpha, for example, to this, and scaling to 1, now it's a circle, because the white area is larger than the circle. And when you scale it smaller, then you get a square from the same alpha. And I think now the app is crashed again, or not. It's okay. Yes. And bring the scale to 1. Now it's round. Okay. The scaling is important with a combination, in combination with other alphas. When we use this alpha and brush along with this clay brush, the combination of the scaling and the stroke spacing, I bring the stroke space to 100%. Now it brushes the alpha one step after the other, and it creates a brush stroke like this. And when you reduce the scaling, then reduce it more. You see, they don't touch anymore. And when I bring it, the scaling, when I bring it to 1, come on. they are they are overlapping. Then make a combination of this, because the stroke spacing 100% and then it's end. Okay. Yes, and the scaling is also important in combination with the tiling. When you repeat such brush alphas, you see the scaling. This is the end of the usable tiling scale, I think, and then you get this one, like a crocodile. And think about the pressure curve. This adjusts the radius, the first one, and you can set it to a flat one, and then it's always the same. And the pressure on the intensity, yes, you can adjust it like this. And one more example. When you bring it the pressure curves to this setting, now you can adjust it with the size and the pressure intensity and create such brush strokes. Okay, and look, stroke spacing, okay, scaling, and the intensity. The intensity, you can bring the intensity slider to 100%, and you can bring it to more than 100%. Now you see the color changes: yellow, orange, and red, and you can bring it real high, to a real high intensity. And red is, I think, it says, yes, it's okay. go not higher, or yes. Because the normal intensity is sometimes too low. Okay. I think this is yes, this is it about these three things. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.